Say goodbye to manual data juggling. Unify SAP Business One with Salesforce in under a minute, all by yourself. Step 1. Sign up with your work email. Check your inbox, enter the verification code, then create and confirm your secure password. Step 2. Link your Salesforce account. Select either of the options, then paste in your username, password, consumer key, and consumer secret. Hit Validate and Save. Step 3. Add your SAP Business One account. Enter your host URL or IP, then your database credentials, username, password, and database name, then validate and save. Step 4. Toggle on your required process flow and you're officially live. No code, no wait, total control. Watch as orders, invoices, and payments sync bi-directionally. Automated, error-free, updating every 5 minutes. Ready to streamline your existing operations? Start your free sandbox trial now and see how fast integration can be.